Hello guys and welcome back again to our channel. In today's video we're going to talk about TubeTuner's thumbnail generator. Did you know that your thumbnail matters more than almost anything else for getting clicks on YouTube? You can have the best video in the world, but if nobody clicks, nobody watches, right? So in this video, I'll show you how to create eye-catching professional thumbnails in seconds using TubeTuner's thumbnail generator. Even if you have zero design skills, that really doesn't matter here. So just before we start, I want to share something with you guys. We all know that most of creators struggle with thumbnails because they either spend hours designing. It can take a lot of your time to design a perfect thumbnail, a perfectly optimized thumbnail for your video, or they even don't know what works. The trends are changing, algorithms changing, the users' needs and desires are changing every day. So yeah, that's a really big trouble for you if you're unexperienced, if you're spending hours and spending most of your time designing thumbnails. That's really dirty work of YouTube, I can call it that way. Or also there is another problem. They end up copying others without understanding why their thumbnail perform. So we all know the tools like Photoshop or Canva can still take time and experience to master, and that's where TubeTuner comes in. So once you log in into your account, just first thing first, if you are a new user, if you're registering on TubeTuner, you get 3 free thumbnail designs for you. You can check it out here. Thumbnail generator is here. You can press it. Here we can see you can generate eye-catching YouTube thumbnails based on top-performing videos in your niche. Keyword right here, we can see search query, for example, how to code, with a tutorial, gaming highlights, etc. And here we can see you can enter the keyword your video will compete with on YouTube, but analyzes top 12 videos. And that's the point I was making before. If you are just copying others and you don't know why their thumbnail works, TubeTuner does, and he will compare and adjust your thumbnail to the top 12 top 12 videos in this search area. Let's type in here, for example, we can type in YouTube, let's just go, let's see, show suggestions. You can just type in YouTube and have to go with a full headline or something like that, but just generate it. Let's see, for the YouTube, we got select expert thumbnail, secret growth hack, never told truth, unlocked secrets, massive growth, final formula, etc. right here. But let's just go, for example, with something more specific like Bitcoin price. Now we have two keywords right here, and let's see what will Jupiter do for us. Bitcoin price predicted. Will BTC crash? Price surges today. Bitcoin price breakout. BTC value soars, and so on. As I said, it uses AI to analyze the headlines, analyze what it searched for today. So here you can also edit a custom text of yours if you are maybe doing some Bitcoin price for a specific country or something like that. But even that you can type in right here. Yeah. But for example, we want to go with Bitcoin price predicted. We press on, and then here is an optional part for you. You can upload images for your thumbnail. You do not have to do that. You can just generate thumbnail. This is an optional section, but I recommend you to do it right here. Add a logo or base image to include in your generated thumbnail. Upload logo. For example, let's just go with BTC. Right here, upload base, again optional, but I will do it right here. I'll upload my base, upload it here. And again, you can see a logo placement, personal brand corner, or featured brand central. Again, face emotion. You can edit to be excited, happy, surprised, shocked, angry, and so on, whatever you need. Happy, for example. And let's just press on generate thumbnail. And let's see the magic. That's I mentioned before, this is a dirty work of YouTube, especially if you're running on a YouTube automation channel. Just calculate yourself how much you're paying your thumbnail designer or how much time you are losing every day on thumbnail creation. That's immense amount of money that you will save on TubeTuner. This tool is perfectly optimized for perfect thumbnails because it uses real-time data. AI uses real-time data, real-time analytics for top performing thumbnails for your specific keywords. So definitely give it a shot. Sorry, I didn't even finish my sentence, and we can see how it's done. Your generated thumbnail is here. You can download it, remove watermark, or you can go here, generate another if you're for some reason maybe not happy with this one that is here. But top performing videos for Bitcoin price is here, and as you can see, this thumbnail kinda, we can see some similarities here with those down below, but those are top videos. They're performing well for a reason, so you will get the top-notch perfect thumbnail for you just by clicking like what, 3 buttons. So come on, give it a shot. Check it out right here, explore it, and as I said, just by registering you will get 3 free tries. Give it a shot. I mean, just register, 3 free shots are waiting for you, 3 free tries, whatever, are waiting for you. So 3 thumbnails you can generate for free just by registering on TubeTuner. Give it a shot. It's really easy to use. As I mentioned before, guys, we can go back here, just for example, keywords here, show text suggestions, and that's it. It's super easy, super convenient, specifically for beginners. And even if you're an expert in Photoshop, I mean, specifically you will understand how much time this will save you. So check it out, explore it. Links are down below in the description, and see you in the next one. Bye.